Florida Keys, with its crystal clear shallow waters, has a gigantic nursery for many species of fish. Today, we're in Key West with an animal expert, Jan Black. Horseshoe crab is a descendant of sea spiders. Their spiky tail is used mainly for sword fight.
Wonder where she'll land. Where will she entertain us all? Who will feel her presence firsthand?
Key West is also home to some of the invasive species, such as green iguana and lionfish. It shows its aggression by violently shaking its head.
Where's he at? Go get him. Gotta be very fast. And there we got him. Ouch! What?
Red lionfish, voracious predator covered with venomous spines.
The strength is felt as she passes by. Oh, wonder where she'll land. Where will she entertain us all? Who will feel her presence firsthand?
We have a sea urchin and a little braille star. What can you tell us about it?
Ow! It's thorny. Ow!
Yeah. Bahama or cushion star can be used for juggling or as a hat.
Strength is felt as she passes by. Oh, wonder where she'll land. Where will she entertain us all? Who will feel her presence first?
Queen Kong, once again, has two notches at the end of the shell, so it can stick its out.
Jen, come here. I found something.
So it can stick its eyes right out and look around. Looky.
They don't sort of like limpets, are they, where they climb?
It's muddy. Horse Kong, one of the largest shells in the world, carnivore. But today we're gonna eat it ourselves.
Something you two have in common.
So what did we learn today? These things are a delicious meal. Slimy snail. Chce pochodować. And this is a tulip. It's a mediator.
I stayed hunkered down below. Wind howls as Rita relaxes. Back Key West, I go on home. drink the spell as she passes by. Oh, wonder where she'll land. Where will she
Spotted sea hare, sea slug that for its defense can excrete toxic ink.
Little chubby creature. Badfish. Crawls across the bottom using these two little feet. Stops and it sticks out the little lure and jerks it around in order to attract fish.
waiting out the hurricane? I stayed hunkered down below. Wind howls as Rita glances.
Nurse shark, a common species in a shallow Florida bay, rests during the day and hunts at night for lobsters and shellfish.
Where will she entertain us all?
Tak jsem dělal bez stínu. A teď jasno. Dobrý?
Jo, no, to je tak jako...
Docile and mellow in nature, but when molested, it can bite.
That's what you get. You're messing with the freaking.
Just tape it! Krásný záběr.
Wind howls as Rita glances.
Manatee, or a sea cow, is an endangered species you're not supposed to interact with in any way. Florida Keys are home to many species of birds.
That's Riggs, alright. She's
where
a
is
girl, she's female.
Where is she?
Ow! Ow!
Upside-down jellyfish, an algae eater. Even though mostly harmless, it can cause a painful sting.
Wind howls as Rita glances. Becky was
Maybe next time he'll remember not to stick it down his pants.